Hello friends, welcome to T-Star Talk. Know your mission and do it yourself. Here is my 6-year-old Yamaha R15 version 2. Remove the drain bolt using 17mm socket. Remove the filter cap using 8mm socket. 5 golden steps involved in general maintenance. 1. Wash your machine. Then adjust chain slab and lube the chain. Third one, change oil and oil filter. Then check and replace air filter and check and replace brake pad. Always keep your machine in good condition for safe and trouble-free ride. Replace the new oil filter. Tighten the drain bolt and oil filter cap. Use 10W40 synthetic oil for Yamaha R15, which is from Yamaha Loop. Thank you so much, my dear friends.